Hey everybody, this is Annie from Judson Road Kids, and I wanted to make this video today to show you how our new check-in system works. It's been such an exciting week here at the church. Our nursery's about done, our signage is in, and our check-in system is ready for you on Sunday. So I wanted to give you a brief tutorial about how to check your kids in, and that way you feel comfortable Sunday. So if you are a guest or you've not been with us before, we are excited to have you, and one of my volunteers here at the station with a name tag on like this will be happy to help you get checked in for the first time and give you a goodie bag for your kid. But if you've been here before, you should be in our system and ready to go. So you will enter the lobby through the front doors and go straight back to this orange wall. You can't miss us now for sure. And you'll approach one of these self-check-in stations. When you get to your station, you're going to put the last 4 digits of your phone number in. You can put the whole number in, but if you just want to be super speedy fast, you can put the last 4 in, and it's going to bring up your family. Jason and I have added a member to our family this week, Cinderella. So we're going to check Cinderella in here today. So when it brings up your household, you're just going to select the kids that you are checking in, and we only do check-in for kids 5th grade and under. So if you have a middle schooler or a high schooler, you don't have to check them in. So check in your children, and then the first time you check in, there's one step, but it saves it from here on, so you shouldn't have to do anything else. So the first time you check in your child, you'll hit the check, and then we're going to go over to this pencil, and we're just going to confirm that this information we have for you is correct, so we can take really good care of Cinderella. So we want to make sure that it's okay to take photos. If not, we would select that. I'm okay with taking videos or photos, but Cinderella does have a special need. She has asthma, so we're going to select that there so all her teachers will know. And then we'll check in. I'm checking in Cinderella today, so I'm going to choose my name from that drop-down box and then just click this, check in one person. And then your name tags will print. One for your child. Now, if you have a child in nursery or toddler class, you will get 2 tags, one for your child and one for their diaper bag or other personal items. But for your kids with name tags, we ask that you put it somewhere that's visible for our teachers. So you can put it on the front, like towards the top of their chest. You could put it on their sleeve or on their back, as long as their hair doesn't cover it. So you'll get a name tag like this for your kids, and then you'll also get a parent pickup tag. Parents, please hold on to your pickup tag so you can quickly and safely pick up your children at the end of service. You can even wear it if you want, or stick it in your Bible, but don't lose it. So you'll drop your kiddo off in class, and then after service, you will go back to their class, and I would say, I'm here to pick up Cinderella today, and they would just match up the numbers to make sure you're a safe person to take Cinderella home. So if that matches, Cinderella's good to go for the day. Something that is different than our previous check-in system is that you parents get 1 tag for all your kids. So if you're checking kids out of multiple rooms, you're going to want to hold on to your tag until you pick up your last child. Your teacher will just match the number and then say, hold on to your tag till you pick up your last little one. So that's it. That's the long and short of it. We've done a lot of training and test runs on this, so hopefully Sunday morning will be a great experience for all of you, and I'm excited to see what God's going to keep doing here at Judson Road. Thanks, guys. See ya.